This is Shelley Kohut with Remax ACA Realty, and I'm just wanting to show you my latest listings. There are 3 properties in this complex. So it's an investor's dream, and if you want to have the information for the APOD, for the income and expenses, just give me a call on my cell at 403-636-1111, and we can make that information available to you. So this is number 6 in this complex. It's 420 Center Street North, and it's basically backs onto the schools. It's a great location for families. There's a convenience store next door. We have walking trails over on Snake Hill, which you can see up over here to the side. The complex itself, each unit comes with 2 parking spots. There's also asphalt driveway parking. So let's go in and take a look. So this is nice here. You've got a covered entrance. Nice big entrance when you step inside. There's a large double closet for coats. Now this unit has had a fair bit of remodeling done to it. It's had fresh paint, new flooring. The kitchen's been redone and includes new white cabinetry, new countertops. The stove is new last year. No, sorry, in October, and the fridge is new as of a month ago. This unit is plumbed for a dishwasher. So a potential owner would be able to put one in if they wanted to. Then we have a rather large eating area. And then this flows through to a 2-piece bath. That's all been renovated as well. Nice neutral tones with the beiges. And then we step into the living room. And there's newer carpet, fresh paint. And this one has sliding doors to a nice private backyard, which backs onto the baseball diamonds. And there's Snake Hill with the walking trails, as I had mentioned earlier. There's the schools. So we have the elementary, middle school, and high school all back in this area. 2 playgrounds. Let's see if I can get close up on them. Really nice newer playgrounds too. The kids love them. There's the rodeo grounds. So you have the best seat in the house for the fireworks. So coming back into the house, we'll head upstairs here. So all 3 units being listed have the same floor plan. So up here we have a 4-piece main bath. Again with the upgraded cabinetry, paint. Master bedroom, and they're big bedrooms. You could easily put a king-size bed in here. You have the full double wall closet. West facing backyard. Our view. There's 2 additional bedrooms on this level for a total of 3. A linen closet here. And this 3rd bedroom has a nice big walk-in closet. So these are ideal starter homes for somebody just starting out. Or if you're an investor, as I said, there are 3 of them available. The basement here is undeveloped. I'll just give you an idea. So there's no windows in the basement, but you do have a bit of a family room area here if you wanted to develop it. And then back in here is the laundry and storage. And unfortunately, the lights don't work here, so the light bulbs are burned out, so I can't show you a good picture. This one has an upgraded high-efficient furnace. And that's always a plus. So if you're interested in this property, again, my name's Shelley Cohet, Remax ACA. Give me a call at 403-636-1111, and we would be happy to provide you with all the information and to take you through. Thank you for your time.